Welcome to the walkthrough of the Truntum Hotel in Kuta, Bali, a beachfront resort that blends traditional Balinese warmth and super relaxed holiday vibe. This property sits right on the sands of Kuta Beach, making it perfect if you love easy beach access, sunset walks, and being close to all the action. I am standing out the front, and there is the entrance to Kuta Beach and the beach road towards Lagoon. And then the other way is the main street in Kuta for shops and restaurants. Let's head inside. The entrance is under renovation until late November 2025, but the lobby has been shifted slightly to the left. Now, out the front here, they set up a Warong style buffet at night. It's called the Warong Senggol Outdoor Restaurant, serving spicy local Indonesian dishes. Now, friends told us that it was absolutely delicious. We didn't actually try this one while we were here. Good morning. Here is the main lobby and reception area, and as you can see, it's quite a big open space. Now, that's pretty standard for Bali hotels. Now, the staff here are absolutely amazing. They will do anything to make sure that your stay is absolutely comfortable, and to be honest, you will find this at all hotels here in Bali. Now, here you'll also be able to book tours and activities if that's something that you want to do while you're here in Bali. Now, just heading down these steps, this is where we get to pool number one, which is my favorite pool. It is called the Sunken pool, and it has the swim up bar. It has plenty of sunbeds around, easy access to pool access rooms, and this is where we were staying, just over there, literally steps from the water. It was absolutely perfect. And also here is where you'll find these lovely massage ladies. They will provide you with very cheap feet massage. You can also get a body massage where they have outdoor beds just over further. And they will also do your hair braids if that's something that you would like to do. They also have a spa on the right, just down here. I had a full body massage here for around $35 for an hour, and it was absolutely beautiful. I also tried their hair spa, which is a long, relaxing hair wash and head massage. It was divine, although they only blow dry the hair, so there's no styling afterwards, but I'm assuming that you can ask for that as an extra. If you prefer massages outdoors, they also set up on these beds right here near the pool for cheaper prices. Beside the main pool is the kids' pool, nice and shallow, perfect for the little ones. Let's go check out the second pool. So just up on the left is the walkway leading to our pool access room. There's both a front entrance straight to the pool, and there's also a back entrance that opens out to the walkway just behind there. And that is so you don't have to go through the pool area if you don't want to. So now we're heading towards the pool number two, which is the Lagoon pool. This is the bigger pool. This is where they host the foam pool party, usually twice a week. Now, we caught this on our first night we arrived. It was so much fun. We'd had quite a few drinks in the Sunken bar at the beginning, and then we headed over to the foam pool party. The whole pool fills with foam. The music is on. They've got a DJ playing. Cocktails were flowing, and the energy was absolutely vibing. The pool also has poolside rooms, plus a shallow kids pool area. Now, on the upper level, you'll find a sunbathing deck. Although I never saw anyone using it, but maybe it's more popular later in the day. This is early morning and they hadn't really set up yet. But as you can see, this is the lagoon. It's quite big, and you can see all the pool access rooms around. Okay, it's time to check out the beachfront entrance from Truntum Hotel. So this is right on the Kuta Beach. So you can book massages here, and as you can see the sign here, they do have specials every single day. They also have a great kids club here. So on the left is the restaurant and the infinity pool overlooking the beach, a beautiful spot for sunrise or sunset. There's plenty of sunbeds where you can relax with view over the water. Now just ahead is the beach access. You can walk straight onto the sand, grab a beer from one of the local beach bars. This is a great opportunity to come down, grab a chair and do a lot of people watching.
How far we can only go?
In the afternoons and evenings, this area really comes alive with people watching the sunset. Now, as this is early in the morning, so they have had a storm recently, I believe, and this is a bit of a cleanup that they are doing. Now, beside the infinity pool, just on the sandy section here where the sunbeds are, they remove the sandy beds of a night time and host buffet dinners on selected nights. Now, this is usually around $20 to $25 Australian per person. It includes buffet food, plus traditional dance performances, fire dancing, and later in the night, a DJ that gets everyone up dancing. The food was absolutely delicious and the vibe is a lot of fun.
Good morning.
How are you today?
It's great, thank you. How are you?
Good.
No, I won't have eggs. I will come back for eggs. I'm just going to do a bit of filming of the buffet.
Now let's check out the breakfast buffet. Now this was filmed around 8 a.m, so pretty early. Now we had breakfast here each morning and thoroughly enjoyed the Asian dishes. I do love Asian dishes for breakfast in Bali. So firstly we have the egg station where you can order eggs however you like. We've got cold meats and cheeses. Fresh fruit and jelly cups for the kids. Pancake and waffle station.
Morning.
Didn't seem like a lot was going on this early in the morning. Asian breakfast section, my favourite part, chicken noodles, garlic rice and stir-fried dishes. Then you move to the other side and they have vegetables, baked beans, tomatoes, pastries, of course, which is your croissants, your muffins, your sweetbreads, and loads of different types of breads as well that you can toast or just have fresh. They have cereals, juices, watermelon, mango, orange, or infused water. Then they have a bacon section, which was all by itself in the corner. It took me a few days to even notice that they had a bacon section. Okay, so that wraps up the full walkthrough of Truntum Hotel. Now, this was a great hotel that was budget friendly and the location was perfect if you want to be in the thick of it here in Kuta. Now, I also have the pool access room video tour here, so check that out. But I will be also uploading more walkthrough videos of hotels and villas in Bali. So please subscribe, check these videos out here on Hotels and Resorts walkthrough playlist.